Welcome to Uptime.com. In this video, we'll be talking about the Uptime.com HTTPS check and walking through the check setup. It starts here from within your account by clicking Monitoring from your user panel and then the Add New button in the top right corner. HTTPS will be the default check type, but you can select any Uptime.com check to configure from the check type dropdown. The HTTPS check tests for response 200 OK and can be set to run in intervals ranging from 1 to 60 minutes. One cool thing to point out is that each location you configure in the Locations field will run consecutively within the interval you set, not one at a time per interval, giving you even more monitoring coverage. Your check will automatically use your account's default contact for notifications and alerts, but you can add any contact from your account by selecting the Contacts field. The only additional required field is the URL field. Once a URL has been added, you can use our Run Test feature to test your check from either the default test server or directly from one of your configured locations before saving and activating your check. In our test example here, we can see that the status returning is 200 OK, indicating a successful request. The HTTPS check also has some powerful optional settings that can be found from the Validation and Security option. You can verify basic auth by adding a username and password in these fields. Add vault items to securely store credentials such as passwords. Configure a string to post. Make sure that the response contains specific values using string to expect. Configure a string comparison such as regex. Add a proxy URL. Choose to toggle on and off our SSL/TLS certificate verification. Enter status codes to expect. And define HTTP headers to send. The SSL/TLS certification verification option is a feature of our upgraded HTTPS checker version 2, which is based on curl. It takes just seconds to configure an HTTPS check, and we'll go through that now. Start by naming your check. Select your interval. Enter in your URL. Configure your locations. Optionally, add a string to expect or other setting in these fields. Test your check. And save to activate. This concludes our tour of the HTTPS check. If you have any questions, feel free to check out our support documentation listed in the description box below or reach out to us directly at support@uptime.com.